Hello, welcome to this video on creating scenes. So in this video, we're going to cover the purpose of scenes, why we might use them, and how to work with multiple scenes. So the purpose of scenes is really to separate different parts of the game. So currently, so far, we've been turning these game objects on and off. We've been setting them active and not active to say, okay, the game over text should be printed. The coin count text should disappear. Maybe when we restart the game, the coin count text reappears, the game over text disappears. You might have some buttons that appear at the end of the game to restart or to do something else. But this can become quite cluttered. And so really this menu that we're kind of starting to think about in this canvas where we have buttons to start the game, that sounds like its own kind of section of the game, and that's where we might have another scene for it. So there's actually a scenes folder by default. If you open that up, the one that we're currently in is called sample scene. Now that's a good name if you only have one scene, but let's rename that to call this playing scene. And notice at the top here in the hierarchy that also changed to playing scene. And so this is the scene we're currently in. You can actually right click and go to create and make a new scene. So let's go to scene, and I'm going to call this main menu scene, and press enter and double click on it. And now, oh no, we lost all our work. Well, no, we didn't. We're in the main menu where the hierarchy is totally clear again, just these two things. So we're starting with a new scene. If you want to get back to the playing scene, just double click on the playing scene. And here we are again, back where we left off with our game. And so the main menu here is blank. Your challenge is to go ahead and create this main menu scene, and then add a canvas to that main menu scene with the text that just says main menu. So just as a template, we'll get that started, and we'll continue on in a future video with the main menu. But for now, pause the video and give that a shot. All right, welcome back. Good job trying the challenge. So in the hierarchy in the main menu, I'm just going to right click, go to UI, Canvas, and I'll leave this named Canvas and Event System. Now on the canvas, right click, go to UI, Text Mesh Pro. Okay, and I'll just say this game object will be called main menu title. Okay, I'll raise it up a little bit. It's not quite centered in the game view there. It might be when you, oh no, it's aligned to the left there, right? So actually in our inspector, we can center that. That looks a little better. You can change lots of things for the font here. You know, you can make it bigger if you want. I'll just call this main menu title, and for the actual text, I'll say main menu. And we'll make this able to stretch across the screen like that. Okay, so feel free to decorate that how you want, but very simple challenge here just to get a main menu set up. So we still have our playing scene, and we have our main menu scene. And in the next video, we'll see how we can actually switch scenes in code when things happen in our game. So we will do that in the next video.